Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to SteadyRollin'Garage. And today, for this video, do you guys know that saying that goes, there's a first time for everything? So today, for this video, you guys are gonna see my first attempt, my first time ever trying to weld something. You guys probably already know that the Tacoma is very, very, very loud. And it's kind of hard to drive like that because even if you put it in fifth gear and we're cruising, the thing is just singing. The exhaust is just super loud. Don't get me wrong, it sounds awesome, but sometimes it kind of makes it unbearable to drive. And this is the coolest truck that we got here in the fleet, so I want to drive it as much as possible. Anyways, guys, let's get you guys a little bit of a sound clip for the Tacoma so you guys know exactly how it sounds right now as it is, and then we'll try and stick some metal together. Let's do it. All right. From the last video, we installed a quick release and a new steering wheel on the Tacoma. We don't need this to warm up the truck, but man, that's so cool. If anybody knows anyone at NRG, tell them to sponsor us. This thing is so loud. Anyways, guys, the Tacoma, you guys can see, is extremely loud. So you guys can only imagine what it's like to drive this thing around and just be humming away, just driving all gears. Every single gear is loud as fuck. But to try and fix that problem, I picked up this. This is an old crusty and dusty cherry bomb that used to be on Jeremy's truck. But before it was on Jeremy's truck, it actually used to be on the 87. So it's like a full circle moment. The exhaust that I started out with is, coming all the way around and ending up on the truck that I just got previously. So let's see if we can make it happen. Jack up the Tacoma and we'll take a look at the exhaust manifold and see if we can get this exhaust welded to that. Let's get right into it. Yes. Do a little editing magic. Yeah. Truck is up on the jack stands. Welder is plugged in. Let's grab the exhaust. And all right, guys. Well, here we go. I think that's it. It was pretty quick actually, but come check out these fucking terrible welds. Terrible. I should have practiced a little bit more. Maybe I don't have the settings quite correct just yet, but it's on there. Let's take the jack stand off and let you guys see it. Boom. The jack stand I was using to hold it is not there anymore, and this thing is freaking solid, dude. No way. That's fucking crazy. What the fuck? I did that? Yay! Shout out to whatever pawn shop I got this used welder at. Fire! All right, let's see how it sounds. All right, guys, let's get the Tacoma put back on the ground and start it up and see how it sounds before it gets too dark and the neighbors decide to pay us a visit again. Oh yeah, I also, you guys probably can't see it, but I got burned. Freaking piece of metal got into my glove and freaking burned my hand. That shit hurt like a motherfucker. So first injury welding, first time welding ever, and finished product. The welds don't look that clean, but I'm very excited to see if this quieted down the Tacoma just enough for us to be able to drive it around a little bit more bearably. Let's get it started and get you guys a second sound clip, and then maybe we'll do a little before and after. You guys can hear a little bit of a comparison. Right away, guys, we should know if there's a difference. Here goes nothing. Wow. Right off the bat, guys, it's super tame. exhaust note is like way better than what it was before. Right away, it sounds way better. Good morning. Brand new day. Got another adventure plan with Nate here. We're gonna go pick up some parts and work on the 87. Got it parked all the way back. I don't know if you guys can see it. First, before we go pick up some parts, we had to pick up this, drop it back off to the house, have a little family dinner for the boys. Check out Nate's truck though. Guys, we also freaking figured out this truck probably used to be turbo. There's a hole right there, another hole cut for the intercooler, and the clearance on the bumper. I was telling Nate last time, I was like, dude, this thing had a turbo on it, or they were planning to turbo it. Oh shit. For the side?
So it has to be underneath the truck, like with the wrench holding it like, in the frame.
Like, Toyota heavy.
So I need a headlamp, and he was like, "You go down, do you want to take that spot?" And I was like,
Alright guys, well, I don't know why the audio was cut out of these two clips, but I'm pretty much just showing you guys what we picked up when we went to go get some parts. Torsion bar key insert, crank hub, and Nate needed a throttle cable. Finished? Yes, sir. We got Samuel. Finished up Nate's truck. Let me see if I can sneak in and open it up to show you guys. We kind of just started wrenching and we didn't really record it, but let me see if I can turn on Nate's light. Yeah, we did get a tachometer set up and Nate has a built-in shift light. That's pretty sick. As well as we got Nate's old OEM exhaust. Cut it off. Truck is pretty loud now.